Okay friends, one of the first things we have to do to get started on our fuel cap is to access it. We're going to come right here, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it from the truck. After that, you're going to see that you have a little push clip right here. If you just grab onto this line right there, you can go ahead and pull on the outer portion of it. That'll come apart. And then we'll just get this little piece out of here as well. There we are. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new fuel cap. Let's take our little piton and put it right into its location. Take the cap, give it a nice click, and then of course we'll just make sure that that's tucked up in there.